Hello everyone. So in this video, it's going to continue to the AB calculus review, and we're going to how to integrate using the U substitution. So we have a problem here. Integrate x squared plus 1 over x cubed plus 3x minus 5 dx. This cube over dx. All right. So we trying to make the u equal to the expression, which is going to help us to cancel out other variable. So for example here, if we say u equal to x cubed plus 3x minus 5, so that's u. Okay, there's no 3 here. So when we get the du, just equal 3x cubed. What's the du of x cubed? 3x squared plus 3. That's my du. Du over dx. All right. So if we take the 3 as a common factor, x squared plus 1, and that's the same. Du over dx. Okay, so we want to get just the du can divide both sides by 3 and multiply by dx. So du over 3 equal x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, now let's come back to here and do the substitution. So x squared we can see this one, it's exactly the same as expression x squared plus 1 dx, and that's equal to du over 3. So we can substitute for this expression du over 3 times 1 over x cubed plus 3x minus 5. We know that's u already. Integration. So there's 3 here. There's 3. So we're gonna over the u cube. I'm going to substitute for this u cube. All right. So to simplify, get the 1 over 3 outside, and then this will be integration of 1 over u cube du, which is equal to 1 over 3 integration u to the minus 3 du. Okay, then let's integrate now. So it'll be 1 over 3, 1 over 3. What's the integration of u to the negative 3? So it will be u. So negative 3, negative 1, plus 1. That's going to be negative 2 over negative 2 plus c, which is equal 1 over 3 times 1 over negative 2 u plus c, which is equal to 3 times minus 2, 1 over minus 6 u square plus c. Okay, now let's substitute back for u equal. We know the u equal here. That's the u value, right? So let's substitute back the u value here. So minus 1 over 6. What's the u value? X cubed plus 3x minus 5 all squared plus c. And that's the answer for that one. All right. Now let's do another problem. It's still the AB calculus review. And it said the function f is given by f of x equal 4x cubed minus x to the fourth. And he wants to know in what interval is the graph of a function concave up. All right, so concave up mean like this. Concave down, that's up, down mean like that. Now, okay, so let's get the function here. The function is f of x equal to 4x cubed minus x to the fourth. Okay, we know the rules. In order to know the concave up or down, we have to go to the second derivative of the function. The first derivative, it gives us the slope of the function. And the second derivative, it tells us is a concave up or concave down. So if we take the value and substitute in the second derivative and came out negative, that's concave down. And the value of the function at the second derivative, we substitute for any value and came out negative, that's concave down. If it's a positive, it's concave up. And we'll see in the example here. So what's the first derivative first? F dash of x. Okay. 3 times 4, that's 12x squared minus 4x cubed. All right. What's the second derivative? Okay. F double dash of x. 24x minus 12x squared. All right. So in order to get the value, where is the graph intercept with? Basically, we have a graph, and we have the graph this is graph intercept with x-axis. We need to make this function equal to 0. So we're going to say 24x minus 12x squared equal to 0. So we can take 12 as a common factor. So 2x minus x squared, we can take 12x. So 2x that's 2 minus x equal to 0. So that means x equals 0 or x equal 2. So that's the two values, 0, 2. And we don't know if the concave up or down. We don't know yet. This is still, we don't know. But we know at least where is the two value, where is the graph intercept to the x-axis. Okay, so now let's pick some value inside and outside of the graph. And see, let's say, so we're going to substitute here, f double dash, f, the second derivative of f at, let's pick 3. So will be equal 24 times 3 minus 12 times 3 squared, that's 9. That will be equal to 72 minus 108, which is going to be negative value. All right, so we know 3 is negative value. So here, concave will be down. That's negative. Let's take a value inside here. So let's say value of 1. F double dash 1 equal 24 times 1 minus 12 times 1. Right? So 24 minus 12, that's 12, which is positive. So we know here it's concave up. That's positive. All right, we need to know what's about it. So let's say f double dash negative 1. So it will be equal 24 times negative 1 minus 12 times negative 1 squared, that's 1. So minus 24 minus 12, so that's going to be negative again. So here will be concave down, that's negative. So the value to answer the question, where's the concave up? So we can say concave up, it's from value 0 to, which is this value, and here is infinity, here is negative infinity, and from negative infinity to 0, that's concave down, and from 2 to infinity, that's concave down. All right, and here you have it. That's the answer: concave up and concave down.